In this video, I'll show you how to use preference page segments, which you collected from hosted preference page, email preference page in Klaviyo. If you are not sure what I'm talking about, I highly recommend to go to YouTube and type in Klaviyo preference page, and here you will have detailed video where I explain how to do it, and and you can watch it and figure out how it's done. So basically it's email preference. They modify them. Let's say if they don't want to receive certain emails from like promotional emails or weekly emails. So basically then you go to your Klaviyo account, and depends on what options you have on your preference pages, you will create different segments. So let's open for this company the page preview. Okay, for this company, we have new product release, promotion, and sales behind the scenes. So person can uncheck or check anything that they want to receive. So how I do this? So we go back to Klaviyo, we go to listen segments, we click on create listen segment, we segment and click no, new product and releases, and then we go to properties and we go to email. Interest contains and does not contain and new releases. So basically anybody who updated their preference and they unchecked new product releases will be shown as this segment. So basically when you send campaign about new product release, you want to exclude this segment. So next you will do the same thing from promotion on sales and behind the scenes. So every time you send campaigns, you always exclude that kind of segment or those like few segments. So basically you're excluding people who said like, hey, I don't want to receive this kind. I still want to be on your email list, but I do not want to receive those kind of emails. So basically you're creating segment and excluding them from those campaigns. Please let me know if you have any additional questions about this.